Welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, we review the best products on Amazon so you don't waste your money. Today we're taking a close look at the LG 32U990AS 32-inch UltraFine 6K Nano IPS, and by the end of this video you'll know exactly whether it's worth your money or not. Let's get into it. You know how sometimes you just want to make a statement with your workspace? Like, you're a creative person who demands only the best, and you won't settle for anything less than perfection? That's what this monitor is all about, giving you the tools you need to bring your most ambitious ideas to life. Whether you're editing 6K video, retouching large format photography, building 3D assets, designing immersive websites, or training AI visuals, this display delivers studio-grade performance that keeps up with your vision. Now, I know what's got people excited about this monitor. It's the fact that it's the world's first 6K UltraFine display. Can you imagine having a screen that's capable of delivering such insane clarity and color accuracy? It's like looking at a work of art come to life right in front of your eyes. So, what makes this monitor tick? Well, for starters, it's got some serious performance chops. The Thunderbolt 5 connectivity means you can daisy-chain multiple monitors with just one cable, which is a total game-changer for multitasking. And when you're working on a project that requires precision and speed, the fact that everything on screen feels buttery smooth, whether you're in a firefight or scrubbing through a timeline, makes all the difference. I've had a chance to use this monitor in real-world scenarios, and I have to say, it's been a total productivity boost. The color accuracy is stunning, and the resolution is simply breathtaking. Whether I'm working on a photo edit or designing a new website, everything just feels more alive and vibrant with this monitor. And let me tell you, when you're working on a project that requires precision, having every pixel in perfect focus makes all the difference. Of course, no product is perfect, and there have been a few minor complaints from customers about the stand not being as sturdy as they'd like. But overall, I've found this monitor to be incredibly reliable and easy to use. The only thing that's kept it from being a 5-star review for me is the price point at $2,000. It's definitely an investment. So, should you consider buying this monitor? If you're a professional creative who demands the best tools for your craft, I'd say absolutely. But if you're on a budget or just starting out in your career, you might want to hold off until you've got a bit more disposable income.